Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the options system. Then let's tap on date and time, which is right here. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers right here and then tap on date or time or whatever you'd like to change first. So here we've got the calendar. We can change the month and find the date we would like to apply. I'll pick, for example, this one and tap on OK. It will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time. Just tap on it and choose the time from the clock. So first of all, hours and now minutes. Tap on OK and it will be immediately set. Here in the time zone, we can tap on the time zone, choose the region, and here we can change it by looking for it in the specific list. So just find it and then tap on it. You can also choose a specific, how is it called, region, let's say, for example, like that, or you cannot. I mean, it specifically depends on the specific country. So just tap on the one you'd like to apply and it will be immediately set. We've got also the time format, so we can either use local default, which is automatic, or we can manually decide. So now we've got the 24-hour format, and after tapping on the switcher, I mean turning it off, you can set the 12-hour format. So it's up to you. And this is the whole manual customization of date and time. You can come back to all previous settings. So just tap on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.